5 businesses you can start with zero capital and make a lot of money. In this era of social media, you don't need money. You don't even need a shop before you can start and run a business. With your smartphone and data, you can run a successful business and make a lot of money. Hi, my name is Coach Ekoweshen. If today is your first time watching my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like, share, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be the first person to watch the video. So what are these 5 businesses you can start with no money? The first one is shoes, bags, hair, clothes, cooking utensils. Okay, there are so many businesses you can start without money, but I have given you only 5. Now, how are you going to start these businesses or any of this business with no money? The first thing you need to do is to go to YouTube or TikTok, learn how you can use your smartphone to sell on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, or go and learn about drop shipping. Now, drop shipping basically means what? Advertising people's products and making money from it. You advertise somebody's product, you get a percentage. So let me explain. Let's say I have a product and I'm selling the product for, let's say, $10. You are going to sell the product on the internet for, let's say, $15 or $17. This is what you have to do. You need to get a shop online. So go to TikTok, Facebook, create a page. Now, when you create a page, you create it as if you are a business owner. You sell bags, you sell shoes, you sell hair, clothes. You understand what I'm saying? Create that shop. Go to where you can get somebody who is into wholesale business. Let's say the person is into shoes, bags, wigs, clothes, like cooking utensils. Go to where they have good, like, wholesale shops. Okay, discuss with them that you are an influencer, or let's say this is what you do. You can help them sell their products on the internet. You are going to take pictures, videos of their products. Now, sometimes those who bring things from Turkey, China, they even have the pictures on their smartphones. So they will just give you the pictures, they will just give you the videos, right? You come to the house, you do voice over, or you can take the pictures yourself, the videos yourself. You do voice over, you put your voice on the picture or the video. You post them on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. You are running it as if you are the one who imported the product from China or Europe or Turkey. Meanwhile, you don't have a shop. Now, before you put them on social media, you have to make sure that they already have the product at their warehouse. They already have it. Now, you advertise it. You can even go to the shop, right? Try and create some kind of friendly relationship with them. You can go to their shop and go live. You tell them, I can sell your shoes, I can sell these wigs if I come live. If you go live on TikTok, the more you stay live on TikTok, the more you go live on TikTok, the more you get a lot of people, the more you stay longer, the more you get a lot of people to watch your TikTok live. So you go live on TikTok and you are selling the products. When you are selling the product, before you go live, you discuss with the owner of the shop, and the shop owner will let you know the price of the products. So let's say it is $10, you are selling it for, let's say, $15 or $17. You go live and you talk about the product. See, when you go to China, they have a big mall, a big place, and influencers will go to that big mall, like big mall, and they have studios in the mall, and influencers will go there and they will go live and sell products. They sell products and they make a lot of money. So you go live and you sell the product. Now you can even, like I said, post them. When you post it on your social media handles, let's say TikTok, try and build your TikTok list, your contact list, so that you can have, let's say, 1,000 people, 2,000 people to watch your status every day. Go to Telegram, build your Telegram list. Snapchat, build your following on Snapchat. You understand? You need to be smart in this 21st century to make money. Put the products, put it there as if you are the owner of the product. See, I have taught a lot of people drop shipping, and now they are doing better with just their smartphones. So why don't you try this? So anytime, like, you have these contacts from these wholesalers, you post them on your status, you post them on your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You don't have to use your money to buy anything from the wholesaler. Just pictures, videos is what you need to start your journey. Now, if you are lazy, you can't do what I'm telling you. You need to be active on social media. And you can also create WhatsApp groups, and you start sharing the videos, the pictures in the WhatsApp groups. And another thing that you can also do is this. You can also do pre-order. What is pre-order? Pre-order means, like, let's say you buy things from China or Turkey for people. Go online and look for suppliers. You can also join my importation class and have contacts of so many suppliers. I'll give you these suppliers. You create a WhatsApp group. You look like people who want to buy, let's say they want to buy, let's say, wigs, shoes, bags, but they don't have enough money. So you put, let's say, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people together, and they are going to buy, let's say, water bottles. They are going to buy lunch boxes from China. You put them together and you buy, like, let's say, 100 pieces. They share it among themselves. You understand? So the pre-order group simply means you go online, you search for products for people, and you charge them. So if somebody buy in your group and place an order for a particular product, you are going to buy the product for the person. You add your profit. There are so many people who want to buy things from China, Turkey, Bangladesh, Vietnam, but they don't know how to go about it. So you are going to buy for them and you put your profit on it. This is an amazing business. You only need your smartphone, good internet to start this journey. There are so many people doing this business online. You don't have to miss out. 2025, you have to make a lot of money. You don't need money to always start a business. With your smartphone, you can make a lot of money. Turn your smartphone into a money making machine and start making money in 2025. Till I see you again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you can watch my video.